Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change shipping rates on Shopify. Let's say if you were giving some shipping rates and now they are changed, maybe they can be increased or decreased. And if you want to change your shipping rates on Shopify, what you have to do is go to the settings of Shopify, click on shipping and delivery. From here, you will see an option called custom shipping rates. You have to select that. Now, let's say you have added some shipping zones. For example, I have only added one zone for United Kingdom. If you have added so many zones, for example, if you're getting different rate for United Kingdom or United Arab Emirates, you have to select that zone. From here, what you have to do is select the rate. I will edit the rate and I will edit, for example, now I'm getting $10. I will select 10, enter 10, and I will just click on done. And if I click on save, now my shipping rate of United Kingdom has been changed. And you can do this for as many countries as you want. And that's how to change shipping rates on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.